Welcome back, Sheikh Mikael.
Yeah,
Sheikh Mikael.
huh?
Sheikh. You know
What?
Sheikh? Sheikh. Teacher.
No.
Teacher. Teacher. Yeah. Okay. So you know that we have Fatha vowel,
Yeah.
right? And what is the
Mm.
sound? What is the sound of Fatha vowel here?
Uh, what's the sound effect of it? On that
This
one?
letter.
Ka,
Excellent. And what is the sound of Kasra vowel here?
li,
Great, mashallah. And what is the sound of Dhamma vowel here?
you,
Great, great, excellent, mashallah. So we said that the mad alif is the long vowel of Fatha, like here, kha, the long vowel of Fatha, right?
yeah,
And the mad ya is the long vowel of Kasra, D, right?
yeah,
Yes. And still we have the Dhamma, and the waw is the long vowel of Dhamma. So if
mm,
we have alif hamza Dhamma, it will be U. So what do you think Hamza Dhamma waw mad should be?
u,
Great. So باء ضمة
bu,
باء ضمة مد واو.
bu,
Great. How you know it? I didn't tell you.
because of fat, the fatta one and the kasra one.
Ah, you do it in the same sequence.
Yeah, so it's the same thing.
Yeah, great. MashaAllah. Genius. You're a genius. MashaAllah. Okay, so we have تاء ضمة. تاء
Ta,
ضمة.
ta, tu,
تاء ضمة واو مد.
tu,
Excellent. ثاء ضمة.
su,
ثاء ضمة واو مد.
tu,
Great. So what is it?
sha, sha, she, shu,
Great. And here,
sa, si, su,
perfect. And the next one,
ta, ti, tu,
MashaAllah. And here,
ta, ti, tu,
genius. Genius. Here is a great exercise. Can you read it, please?
sumi,
Excellent. Perfect. Then,
sumi.
great. MashaAllah. Before we go to the game, you remember we have uh, small alif mad,
Yeah,
short alif mad, yes, and small ya mad. You remember just the shape of a small ya mad?
not really.
Yes. And here we go. This is the small ya,
Right.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So how we read this one? Can you read this word?
Shia, Shia, Ti, He.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Like the alif mad. Here the small alif mad, and here the small waw mad. Okay. It's a small waw
Okay.
letter after the letter. So how I read it? Can you read?
Who,
Yeah.
woo,
Great. MashaAllah. And here,
su,
perfect. And this one.
u,
Yes, you are a genius. And how I read this word?
woo, vi, ya,
Woo, Ria. Great. Perfect. Yeah. And this one.
ta, ta, woo, tu, tu.
Yeah, you did a great job. Which number you pick?
Um, 5.
Five. Mm,
A, a,
Aqu.
akula.
Excellent. Yeah.
It looked
Aqu.
like the wow had the thing.
Yeah. Okay. I think you deserve 25. No, no,
Okay.
just 20 because you confused in the qaf. You have 20, and let's see, I pick one. Oh,
Mm,
Alhamdulillah, I have 50 points. Alhamdulillah.
50.
If you read it right or not, and every wrong letter was 5 points for me.
فكيتوني.
Oh my God. Give me 5 points at least. 5 points. Do one mistake to get 5 points for me. Again, again. Read it again.
فكيتوني.
Again. Excellent. Yes.
فكيتوني.
Akiduni. Excellent. So, would you mind if I get 10 points? This is the last question. To give me 10 points?
Sure.
Your team won, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. You're generous. And you are the winner too. As usual. You are the winner too.